Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate ClickUp webhooks with signature verification, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate ClickUp webhooks with signature verification, start by logging into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the workspace where you want to create the webhook. Click on the settings icon in the left sidebar. Select integrations from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the webhooks section and click Add Webhook. Provide a name for your webhook in the designated field. Enter the URL where you want ClickUp to send the webhook requests. Next, go to the section for signature verification. In your ClickUp settings, find the secret field. Generate a secure random string to use as your secret key. Store the secret key in a safe place as you will need it later. Now, move on to your server-side code to handle incoming webhooks. Retrieve the raw body of the incoming request. Capture the signature from the headers labeled X signature. Use the MAC SHA-256 algorithm for verification. Combine your secret key with the raw body content to create a hash. Encode this hash in hexadecimal format. Compare the generated hash with the captured signature. If they match, the request is from ClickUp and can be processed. If they do not match, discard the request for security reasons. Implement logging to record both successful and failed verifications. Test the webhook to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Monitor your application for any anomalies in the webhook handling process. Once verification is complete, you can start building your application features based on received data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.